What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, and as we can see, still looking as though we are ranging. Basically, we've just been going sideways for basically the entirety of the bull market pretty much after that initial pump that we saw, from that basically November down at around, 1 cent all the way to 28 cents here in around April time. We had a huge parabolic move for Veracity, and now looking like, basically it's been calling up for a while, got the breakout, but then also got a capitulation. Now looking like we are consolidating down towards the lower areas of the Fibonacci that we've pulled here from the high to the low. We've been sitting on the 023 for a good while here, haven't we really? And we've got a little bit of a range that we have drawn in here, looking something like this. You can see it quite clearly here when you look at the range that we've basically drawn in, that we formed the bottom, the top, bottom, top, come back down to the bottom again, and looking like we're basically retesting support before we get that move to the upside again, aren't we? You can see it on the hourly time frame. There's really not much to say about Vechain apart from the fact that the fundamentals continue to do well. They are working on stuff all the time from what we can tell in the news for Vechain. And you can see here we've been in the range for a while with the market. We're highly correlated to Bitcoin right now, so pretty much everything that Bitcoin does, Vechain will follow. And you can see we've just been testing the top, testing the bottom, testing the top, testing the bottom, and we'll probably come back up and test the top again in due course as we continue to range. We don't really think that there's that much legs left to the downside for Bitcoin. It's looking pretty damn overextended now in our opinion, and sooner or later we are going to see a big bounce to the upside from what we can tell. So as you can see here, Vechain, we had those bullish divergences at the low there. We get the bounce back inside the range, which is good because, we've come back up, we come down, we retest support. And if we retest support here, we will get continuation, higher high and higher low, and then a higher high, and basically start an uptrend back to the upside, which is what we need to see. So we'd say realistically, a lot of people are super bearish on Vechain. They think it's going to zero. Everyone's saying cut your losses and buy something else, yada, yada, yada. But we think, Vechain, it's a quality project, isn't it? It's an altcoin gem. It's one of those blue chip altcoins we'd say over the next 5 to 10 years is going to be around and it's going to do well. And in our opinion, 7.5, 8 cents is still a great entry if you're looking for $5 to $10, or maybe even beyond that in the next 10 years for Vechain. When you've got a longer term outlook, these kinds of prices, they could be an opportunity. So we'll keep things short and sweet. Short-term price predictions. Obviously, if we roll over, we want the bottom of the range at around 7.5 cents to be support. We could get that overextension again at 7 cents on this swing low here, if that's the case. But realistically, we do think we're going to get a bounce in and around this area, up towards around 8.5, maybe 9 cents, heading towards the top of the range at 10 cents. So that would be obviously really good to see. And then beyond that, as we just said, we do think Vechain in the longer term is going to do really well. I mean, in 2022, we'd be shocked if there wasn't a new all-time high for Vechain, in our opinion. We'd say realistically, we're probably going to be looking at 50 cents to $1, as we've always said. But if we do get that massive parabolic move for Bitcoin this year, which we still haven't seen, by the way, and we always see it in a bull market, maximum greed, then, we could be looking at potentially maybe even above $1 for Vechain. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.